Yes. Good morning, second class children. Are you all ready with the science class work notebook? Okay, fine. So I hope everyone is listening the class. Whatever we had learned that lesson, isn't it? So please keep on listening the class and do the learning practice at home. Which one? Whatever I had given the hard words for you all. Okay. So I had given some hard words. So you continue that hard words practice at home. So it will be very easy to learn. Okay. So now let me continue the class with the given hard words. Whatever I had given yesterday, if it is 10 or 13, you can continue with the next number. Okay. Now teacher will highlight with 11th one. But you see that yesterday how many hard words I had given. From that you number you can continue. Okay. So you don't get confused. What is this? Yesterday teacher had given 13. Now teacher is writing 11th one. Whatever the hard words I had stopped yesterday, you can write the next number and you can continue. Okay. So you don't bother about the numbers all. You see the focus on the words. Okay. Posture. Spell the word of posture. P-O-S. P-O-S. T-U-R-E. Posture. Okay. Next one. So standing. Spell the word of standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. 13th one. Sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. So you have to practice the cursive, isn't it? I am writing in the split handwriting. I am very sorry, children. Let me continue with the cursive handwriting. Spell the word of posture. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Posture. If I write in the split handwriting, you will also get the practice the same one. So I don't want to go for that risk. Please keep on doing the cursive practice. Standing. Sitting. Okay. Sitting. Next one. Straight. Spell the word of straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Okay. 15th one. You can write. Spell the word of remain. R-E-M-A-I-N. Remain. 16th one. Bending. B-E-N-D-I-N-G. Bending. Draw a midline. If you have the place, you can continue, children. Otherwise, take beside the hard words. Okay, draw a midline. Next one, stooping. S-T-O-O-P-I-N-G. Stooping. 18th one, spell the word of slouching. S-L-O-U-C-H-I-N-G. Okay. Next one, you can go for various. V-A-R-I-O-U. Various means different. Okay. Diseases. Spell the word of diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Diseases. Next one, sickness. S-I-C-K-N-E-S-S. Sickness. Spell the word of. Next one you can go for the another word, that is for what, which word we can go? Physical we have completed yesterday. Skeleton we had completed, isn't it? So 21 hard words, that is enough, children, for you. Okay, second class, 21 hard words we are going to complete now. Come on, spell the word of posture. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Posture. Standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. Sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. Straight. Okay. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Remain. R-E-M-A-I-N. Remain. Bending. B-E-N-D-I-N-G. Bending. Stooping. S-T-O-O-P-I-N-G. Stooping. Slouching. S-L-O-U-C-H-I-N-G. Slouching. Various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various. Diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Diseases. Sickness. S-I-C-K-N-E-S-S. Sickness. Okay. Now you have to learn each word three times. Spell the word of posture. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Posture. Spell the word of standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. Sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. Straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Remain. R-E-M-A-I-N. Remain. Bending. B-E-N-D-I-N-G. Bending. Come on, say posture, standing, sitting, straight, remain, bending. Okay. Next one. Spell the word of stooping. S-T-O-O-P-I-N-G. Stooping. Slouching. S-L-O-U-C-H-I-N-G. Slouching. Various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various. Diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Diseases. Sickness. S-I-C-K-N-E-S-S. Sickness. Stooping, slouching, various, diseases, sickness. Okay. Is it clear now? So homework is learn. Do the learning practice. In rough work you can do 2 or 3 times. Okay. You can write in the rough note 2 or 3 times. Write very neatly and follow the strokes. Very beginning I had shown the strokes. You have to follow the strokes and keep on writing in the cursive handwriting. I don't want to see any split handwriting in the class book, children. You have to write in the cursive handwriting practice. Please children, you have to do only this handwriting only you have to follow. You are not in the class 1 or in the UKG. Now you came to class 2 and that too we are in which lesson? Lesson number 5. Now you have to be very perfect while writing those words. Don't spoil your handwriting and keep the handwriting, do the handwriting practice in the rough book, or else then you do any 4 lines notebook practice or copywriting books and follow only the cursive handwriting. I am insisting you to focus on only in which handwriting? Cursive handwriting only. I don't want to see any split handwriting, children. Please avoid writing the split handwriting. Okay. So I hope all the hard words are very clear and do the practice and keep on learning at home. And listen my class twice and thrice. Okay. I don't want to run or to rush this class and I don't want to make it very fast. I'm giving the back-to-back exercise. Okay. So these are some difficult hard words are there. Please do the practice at home and get ready for the next exercise. Thank you children and take care and do the practice more. Okay. I hope this class is very clear for you all. Isn't it? So keep on doing the practice. Thank you so much.